Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how we can check duplicate entries here in Google Sheets. So first, you want to go ahead and select the column where you want to search in, and then just click on the format over here at the top. Then click on conditional formatting. And then over here where it says is not empty, just click on it. Then scroll to the bottom. Then click on custom formula is. And then over here at the value or formula, just want to go ahead and copy this formula. Just make sure that you're going to put an equal symbol at the very beginning. Then you just want to go ahead and write the formula. As for the end, you just want to replace that with the column that you're trying to search in. So for my case, it's going to be column A. So I'm going to put A. So as you can see, it already highlights the entries that has duplicates, and you could also choose to change the highlight color by clicking on this option over here, and then just go ahead and choose whichever color that you like. Then just click on done, then close this sidebar, and you can already see which entries has duplicates. So that's it. Thanks for watching.